Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS is James here. How are you today? In this video we would like to share the finished work of the state one in the Dodge Ram 1500 and 2019. So we already talked about this one in other videos, and this one is the final state one, the system ready with the big screen. Okay, that's very good. And also the car already equipped with the front and rear Full HD camera in our system of the 4 surrounding camera by this stage. So you actually can see the front camera is here, which is super. Okay, even we turn off the headlight. All right, we turn off the headlight. You can see how dark it is in the front, but on the screen here you see how our camera actually is working. It is super clear, and that is the front looking by the camera that we use. And here is our front camera that looks like this, super clear and detailed. How it can get that? This our camera recorder, this video recorded by a very high-end Android phone, Samsung camera, but we still cannot see anything like this nowhere. All right, and that is the front camera section, which is right in the middle front section of the bull bar, and that's have to see very clear. And if you actually press the front fog light, you see all more, and I love it. Yeah, that is the front fog light, which is small LED ARB fog light turns on. Now if you turn it into the reverse, you actually wait for the reverse camera. Okay, here we go. That is the reverse camera at the back, and it sees the tow bar, it sees the bumper bar, and it has the other parking sensor surrounding here. Beautiful, super wide angle, super clear, super detailed, and Full HD level. And it looks exactly like factory camera at the back end, because we spend so much time working on the camera section for the car. So basically what you see is, you see the side mirror camera here, you see the front camera over here, which you already see on the videos. You see another side mirror camera over here, which is beautiful on the left side. And this is how actually the factory camera stayed before, and our camera is here, looks exactly like factory camera. And that is the system. Now talking about other systems that you fit into this truck. Actually it's a truck, right? So here we go. You see that on the screen, when you turn on the signal, it will turn on the signal. Look at the left side. Okay, so that is how the mirror already turn on, front and rear. And now look at this. You see mirror turning on here, and also the mirror turning on the front as well, which is easy to see here. Okay, all right, so that's the mirror, is already connected. Very nice. We already recovered all the function from the mirror, and we will talk in short video soon. So this one, wireless Carplay, wireless Android Auto, and so on, so many things working on this one. You can control the air conditioner control over here, and it will have all the control over here as well. And yeah, that's about the thing. And you can fully control the air conditioner control from the top button or from the touch screen over here. Very easy, very easy. And we also upgrade the LED lights in the truck, and we still have the state one to work on this one, but soon it will be done with the best system that we have. So stay tuned, and we will see you on another one very soon after. So here again, this is the reverse camera, and after that it will turn on into the front camera, which is beautiful. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon in another one.